Welcome to our latest property at Huddersfield Road in Birstall. A 2-bedroomed terrace property which has been refurbished, absolutely totally refurbished, new roof, new windows, basically new everything. To the right of me is Birstall Town Centre, which is a few minutes walk away. You've obviously got Junction 27 on the doorstep and all major motorway networks, so it's an absolutely brilliant spot. Lots of good schooling locally. Please allow us to show you around. So as you can see, after watching the video, everything's been done. You just have to come along, plug your TV in, and it's a ready-made home and it's future-proof. If you'd like to view it, give us a call on 01 924 692240 or email us hello@trustsl.co.uk. Thanks for viewing and we look forward to hearing from you.